This is the video solution to sample exercise 1.5 practice problem A that appears on page 18 of your text. In this question, we are asked to determine the number of significant figures in quite a few measurements. We'll start by talking about where the rules for determining significant figures are. In your text, these rules appear on page 17. The first measurement that we're asked to consider is 1,129 meters. In this measurement, we see that we have 4 non-zero digits, and every non-zero digit is considered to be a significant figure, which means that 1,129 meters has 4 significant figures. Part B asks us to consider 0.0003 kilograms. We see some zeros in this value. We have a 3, and that is a non-zero digit. We also see 3 leading zeros, 3 zeros that come before a significant figure. Leading zeros are never considered significant figures, and the value 0.0003 kilograms has 1 significant figure. In Part C, we are going to look at 1.094 centimeters. We see 3 non-zero digits, and we have a 0 that is sandwiched in between other significant figures. And every sandwiched or captive 0 is considered to be another significant figure. So this value has 4 significant figures in total. Letter D asks us to consider 3.5 times 10 to the 12th atoms. This is a value that's given to us in scientific notation, and in scientific notation we never worry about the zeros that would come based on power. So we look only at the pre-exponential value, the 3.5. We see 2 non-zero digits, and this would mean that this value has 2 significant figures. In the value 150 milliliters, obviously we have at least 2 significant figures with the 1 and the 5, but we also see a 0. And the rule for trailing zeros is that they are only significant if they follow or are shown with a decimal point. There's no decimal point shown in this measurement, so 150 milliliters has 2 significant figures. The value 9.550 kilometers has 3 non-zero digits, and it has a trailing 0, but a decimal point is shown, so we will include that with our significant figures. And 9.500 has a total of 4 significant figures. At this point, you should take a look at practice problem B that accompanies sample problem 1.5, and once you've completed it, check your answer against the solution that is shown in the back of the chapter.